The Green Monster Smoothie. You're looking for a quick alternate to your regular post-workout meal? Come try out this Green Monster Smoothie. It's delicious.
Exposing just a little bit of the seeds like you can see here.
Thank you very much. Next is our pineapple. One. Thank you.
And now we blend.
And you can see if you look up top here, you can see where there's a little bit of the outside skin here. So we know where to cut. We want to cut just a straight.
Let's put a little bit of pineapple in there as well, so still a little bit more sweetness. And a little bit more kale. When you're blending this one, it's going to take a little bit longer because you want the kale to be nice and blended.
Nice and green color.
And now we pour. As you saw, this one's actually quite thick, so if it's a little bit too thick for you, you can always add a little bit more milk, or if you want to lower calories, some water. And I'd recommend maybe straining it if you're going to serve to children so they don't see the little green chunks floating around and they're not picky. Enjoy.